everyone, welcome back to Higher Soul Tarot. And in today's reading, we will see that what is the urgent message or universe guidance for you related to your current situation, right? So it's a general, timeless reading, and take what resonate with you and leave the rest for others, right? So let's start. Let's find out that what is your current situation and what universe want to tell you. Right? What is the universe guidance? So what is your current situation? Let me first check that. Universe, what is your current situation? What is your current situation? Okay. There are some people who are, मतलब हो सकता है वो they are facing some problem at your workplace related to your work. You must be facing some problem, right? It can be either related to your career, your career stability, job stability, career change, job change, politics at the workplace, problem with your boss, your colleagues. Maybe related to teamwork, authority, position, power, and whatever. Project or work has been given to you, maybe something related to that, something is happening in that, and you have stress, you have basically deadline stress. There is definitely something related to your work life, right? You may be facing some sort of challenges at your workplace right now. So I think this particular guidance is related to that only. Yeah, you have a lot of responsibility, you have a lot of work at your workplace. There हो सकता है कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो इन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, राइट? मे बी यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव टाइम टू योर फैमिली, you are not able to give time to your loved ones. Some sort of problem is there related to your productivity, your efficiency. Maybe you are giving your 100%, maybe your boss is not happy, maybe some sort of politics. This is what is going on at your workplace, right? So maybe you are waiting for some sort of judgment, right time, divine timing. So if you are having such sort of problem in your life right now, then the universe want to tell you that now divine time is arriving. Universe is looking at everything, means whatever problem you are having or whatever uh, monetary issues, promotion, or career advancement, career rise, something related to that. एक मुझे यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो जो भी एक साइकिल है, वो जो भी एक problematic situation है, that is going to end, because this is 10 and this is 20. So this shows that inner calling. This shows universal support. This shows that support of your God is always there. God is watching everything. So you need not to worry. You need not to worry, because whatever efforts you are putting in, God, universe is watching, right? मतलब आपकी जो भी मेहनत है वो यूनिवर्स देख रहा है, ठीक है? और उसके आपको रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर. सो यूनिवर्स इज सेइंग दैट problematic situation is coming to an end, right? That is coming to an end. So let me just see what is the universe guidance for you. We will just find out. Something balance. You need to find out balance. It is all about balance. It is definitely related to work-life balance. You need to balance your life. You need to manage your time. You need to manage your relationships, right? So something related to balance, right? So see, you have to find out balance in different areas of your life, at your workplace also, in your family also, in your relationship also. So try to bring that balance. Moreover, आपको बोला जा रहा है that you need to work on your chakras, right? Either you have to work on your root chakra and your heart chakra and your sacral chakra. So you have to work on these chakras, because there is some sort of energy imbalance. Energy is imbalanced in your body, right? So either you have to work out, you have to leave those toxic bad habits, राइट, अ वेरी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल आपको एक अपनाने के लिए बोला जा रहा है, क्योंकि सम सॉर्ट ऑफ नेगेटिव, और हाँ, अपने आप को क्लेंस करना. मे बी यू आर कैरिंग दैट नेगेटिविटी from your workplace to your home or something, you are carrying that negativity also. तो उस नेगेटिविटी से भी आपको निकलने के लिए बोला जा रहा है, क्लेंस करने के लिए, अपनी नज़र उतारने के लिए आपको ऐसा कुछ बोला जा रहा है. सो यू हैव टू ब्रिंग बैलेंस, mind, body, soul. First you have to bring balance in your mind, thoughts, body and soul. Meditation, you can do that. Exercise, you can do that. So you have to give time to yourself also, right? सिर्फ काम ही नहीं, आपको खुद पे भी ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. एंड एक और चीज़ आपको यूनिवर्स बोलना चाह रहा है कि अगर वर्क प्लेस पे आपको कहीं पे भी ऐसा दिखाया जा रहा है जैसे यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, और समवन इज़ ट्राइंग टू बॉग यू डाउन, आपको नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, देन यू हैव टू टेक स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ. यू डोंट नीड टू लिसन टू एनी वन, राइट? यू नीड टू टेक स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ. आपको अपने लिए स्टैंड लेने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. एंड मोर ओवर यस, देखिए सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है ना, कि जो भी आपकी लाइफ में मिराकल्स होने वाले हैं, या आपकी लाइफ में जो भी एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम आने वाला है, या आपकी करियर में या आपकी जनरल लाइफ में जो एक चेंज आने वाला है, वो हो सकता है कि अभी आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. तो यूनिवर्स वांट टू से दैट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन, यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर हार्ट रादर देन बीइंग लॉजिकल. यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर हार्ट. व्हाट डू यू एक्चुअली वांट? आप क्या चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ से? आप क्या चाहते हैं अभी? आप जो भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट योर वर्क प्लेस, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आपके साथ कोई अन्याय हो रहा है, इनजस्टिस हो रहा है, तो क्या वो ठीक है? राइट? डू यू वॉन्ट टू वर्क इन द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और यू नीड टू चेंज? राइट? सो यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन. वॉट डज your intuition is guiding you towards, or what your heart says. So listen to your heart, listen to your intuition, the first thing. And second thing is, whatever blessings are coming in your way right now, maybe you are not able to see that, maybe you are not able to believe that, लेकिन आपकी लाइफ में, आपकी वर्क प्लेस पे डेफिनेटली एक ओवरऑल हैप्पीनेस आपको अपने करियर में मिलेगी. एक बड़ा चेंज आपकी लाइफ में आ रहा है. एंड यूनिवर्स वांट टू से दैट यूनिवर्स हैज़ नोटिस्ड everything. So now your hard work will be paid off, right? So be thankful to the universe. Forgive all the people who have created problems in your life, general in your life or at your workplace. Forgive, be positive and focus on your work, because your work will be rewarded by the universe. Right? So this was the guidance for you. And I think in today's guidance is more about, work and career and money. Right? So thank you so much for watching this.